Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to understand how to create, save and execute HTML file in Visual Studio Code. In our previous class, we have seen how to download and install Visual Studio Code. If you haven't watched that video, please watch that video and try to install Visual Studio Code onto your system. Now coming to this class, let's see how to create a file. So how to create a file? We can create a file by using two different ways. One of the way is by just clicking on Control N. So just click on Control N, a new text file will get created. So the other way is just by going into this file tab and clicking on this first option, create text file, we will be able to create a new text file. So see here. So a text file has been created. Now can we call this file as a HTML file? No, we cannot call this as HTML file. This is just a text file. Now how to make this file as HTML file? So for that we have to save the file. So how to save that file? So to save this file, so just click on File tab and go into this Save As option. So just by clicking Save As option, so we will be directed to this our desktop browser. So where we can, so I am going to create this file, I am going to save this file on the desktop. So I have created a HTML5 folder. So in this folder I am trying to save this file. So here I am naming this file as, index, means the first file, and the next, so here the type of file, so this is a plain text file type. Now I want to create this as HTML file. So how can I do that? So go on here and go on for this HTML option. So just click HTML. Now just save this file. Now see here, a untitled text file is now created as HTML file. Now how to execute this file? So before that we have to write something onto this file. So in our first video we have seen the paragraph tag and we will try to use that paragraph tag. So a paragraph tag has been created and the content is, this is my first web page. Now a new paragraph has been created. Now I will see here. So this dot is there. So this dot states that this file is unsaved. Now in order to see the result, so from the saved file to unsaved file, we have to press Ctrl S. By pressing Ctrl S, the file will get saved. Now I have to execute this file. So how to execute this file? For that we have to go into this. There are many ways to execute this file. As of now, with a very bare knowledge, how can we execute this file is, so I have to go into the folder where the file has been created. Now in this, the file that we have created is index. Just right click on this and go into this option called Open With. So here we will be provided with all the browsers. Why browsers? Because the HTML file will get executed by browser. So the browser is having that piece of software where all the HTML files will get executed. The HTML content will get executed by the browser because all the content will get displayed on the browser. So I'm going to go with this Google Chrome. So just click on Google Chrome. So here is my content. This is my first web page and this is a paragraph. So I'll just zoom it in. Okay, you can reset to the original size by using this reset option. So just to make it more visible, I am making it as, see here, this is our content, the paragraph content that we have created. Now let's test by creating another paragraph. See how the content will get displayed. So just I am creating another paragraph and in this paragraph I am just giving the content, this is another paragraph. So just and you have to save this. Let's see. So I haven't saved this file and let's see whether this will get reflected in the output or not. See here, I'm just refreshing this page. So in order to get the output, we have to the fresh output, we have to refresh this page. So I'm just trying to refresh it, but the output is not getting displayed because the content, so the previous saved page and the content has been updated. This unsaved content has to be saved. So for that we have to go into this and Control S to save the file. Now once the file gets saved, and if you refresh this page, we are going to get the another paragraph. This is another paragraph. So this is how we can create, save and execute a HTML file in Visual Studio Code. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. If you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.